Hi everyone. In this video, I will quickly describe the rules of divisibility and give you an example of each before you have to do the homework assignment in the next video. Rules of divisibility is a mathematician's way of having a shortcut if he gets a large number to see whether it is divisible by a smaller number. For example, if we want to find out if a number is divisible by 2, we're going to look at the last digit. If the last digit is an even number, in other words, it's a 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8, we know that the number is going to be divisible by 2. If we, for example, take the number 9048, we look at the last digit, and because the last digit is an even number 8, we know that this number will be divisible by 2. If we look at the divisibility rule of divisibility by 3, we need to have a look at the digit sum of the larger number. So let's take, for example, the number 1875. The digit sum for this number will be 1 plus 8 plus 7 plus 5. 1 plus 8 gives us 9. 9 plus 7 gives us 16. 16 plus 5 gives us 21. 21 divided by 3 will give us a perfect whole number 7. That means that 1875 will be divisible by 3. Let's take a look at the divisibility of 4. In this instance, we are going to look at the last 2 digits. So if we have a number, let's take, for example, 7524, we are going to have a look at the last 2 digits, which are 2 and 4. 24 divided by 4 will give us the whole number 6. And because the last 2 digits are divisible by 4, it means that 7524 will be divisible by 4. Divisibility by 5 is probably one of the easiest ones. If the last digit should either be a 0 or a 5, then it will be divisible by 5. For example, let's take 3365. Last digit is a 5, so this number will be divisible by 5. For divisibility of 6, 2 rules apply. First of all, the number has to be divisible by 2 and divisible by 3. So let's take, for example, the number 216. 216 ends on a 6, which is an even number, right? So it is divisible by 2. And if we take the digit sum 2 plus 1 plus 6, that gives us 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So it is divisible by 3. So 216 will be divisible by 6. For the divisibility of 7, there is no shortcut since 7 is also a prime number. Divisibility of 8, we're going to look at the last 3 digits. So if we have, say, for example, 6100, let's make it 61,048. We look at the last 3 digits. In this case, 048. 48 can be divided by 8. That gives us 6. So this large number will be divisible by 8. For divisibility by 9, the rule is very similar than the divisibility by 3. We are going to look at the digit sum. For example, if we have 7290, we're going to look at the digit sum. So 7 plus 2, which is 9, plus 9 is 18, plus 0 gives us 18. 18 can be divided by 9. It will give us a perfect whole number of 2. So that means that 7219 is indeed divisible by 9. The last one that you need to know is divisibility by 10, a very easy one. The last digit must be a 0. So 4,160. The last digit is a 0, so this number will be divisible by 10. For your homework, please go to the next video.